Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Friday afternoon from the New York Stock Exchange broadcast booth overlooking the trading floor. And it might be cold out, it might be raining, but me, I'm feeling great because the weekend is almost here. And you know what that means for us here at Modern Wall Street? We're going to get the party started early because it's not quite 4 o'clock. The markets, they're soon going to be closing, but myself and many of the traders right behind me, we want to run out of here and get the weekend started and also watch that big Islanders game tonight. It's a very big one. So let's get ready with either an orange or a blue or an orange and blue drink on this an early Friday happy hour in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they're lower this Friday afternoon as the highly anticipated jobs report for April, quite frankly, disappointed investors. Now, April non-farm payrolls show the creation of 160,000 jobs, but that was well below expectations calling for 220,000. At the same time, unemployment coming in at 5%, that met expectations, while average hourly wages for the month that rose 0.3%, and that too was in line with expectations. But it's that non-farm payrolls read that sent stocks lower. Meanwhile, the U.S. dollar index holding mildly lower, oil reversing higher to attempt slight gains. European stocks, they're mixed. Asia closing lower with the Shanghai Composite down nearly 3% and the Nikkei off about 0.25%. And gold seeing a slight rise on risk aversion, and you have yourself a session. When you combine all of this, where about 5 stocks are in the red for every 4 advancers right here at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to not just close out this session, but the first week of May as well. And it's a Friday, so that means rather than closing out on a corporate note, we have to talk about 2 things this time. Now, first of all, we have 2 new team members. Say hello to Anne-Marie and Ronald. Nice picture. And over in sports news, as I always have to do, we have a weekend with the Mets over in San Diego. They should win that. Golf, the Wells Fargo Championship this weekend. Will we see Phil Mickelson return to glory? He's currently 4th heading into the weekend. Over in NASCAR, the Sprint Cup making a stop in Kansas. In the world of football, soccer, whatever you want to call it, Chelsea-Sunderland tomorrow. And remember, Leicester already won the league, so expect a huge celebration this weekend at the King Power Stadium. It's the last home game for the year for them. But the biggest sports story of the night, we all know what it is. The Islanders in Brooklyn. Are they going to tie it up? Yes! They will. And for Modern Wall Street, expect to see a happy James on Monday. I'm James Sweeney.